Hey, does this ever happen to you? You buy a phone, it's a nice phone, it's a phone you like. Mine happens to be a Google Pixel 3a. It's been serving me for quite a while. Unfortunately, it broke. But the alarm clock still works. The alarm's been going off at 7:30 every morning, regardless of whether or not it's my day off, which today it was. I'm trying to sleep, the alarm keeps going off. The first day, fine. I tried to turn it on, but it won't go on, so I just kind of throw it at the wall to get it turned off. That worked. As you can see, there's a crack in the screen, but fine. It keeps doing that though. The next day, the next day, the next day. I'm just waiting for the battery in there to die at least so that the alarm will stop going off. Last night, I put the phone in this room, which is not my room. This morning, it was going off again. I'm just sleeping there and I'll hear so obviously I have to come all the way to this room, try to turn off the phone and it won't turn on to get the alarm off. It won't. I press all the buttons, there is only 3, and it just won't turn off. I'm just about done with this phone.
No.
What?
That's never happened to me, personally, so...
Oh, yeah. Well... Can you, help me?
Let's do it.
Do what? Jamie, why?
What?
I asked you to fix it.
Well, yeah, to fix it we have to get into it.
Well, we can see a little orange bit in there now.
That's progress. Well, try something else.
Yeah? Like what?
This? Is it opened yet? Do you think we can take the battery out yet? It's a pretty good shot.
Oh. I wasn't ready for that.
What? Do you want my help or not? We've got to get into the phone somehow. And then we can take the battery out, put it back in, phone be good as new. So that, ow, it's actually hot to touch.
Is it gonna explode?
Is it the Google phones that were exploding?
No.
No, it's fine. This is quite fun.
We can now see that the phone itself is actually starting to swell. This is quite scary. I'm not really used to dealing with explosives, are you, Jamie?
I'm quite nervous.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh.
I think he's having a lot more success destroying his phone.
Oh, yeah.
It's doing a lot better than us. Where's it?
Oh, where's the phone?
Oh yeah, I meant to get you to do something. So if you feel the shovel, if you feel the spade there, and then feel under where the phone is. Right, then feel under where the phone is.
That is scary.
It's heating the spade up.
Wonder if we could cook an egg on that. We've just had the idea that while it's hot, we might as well make some breakfast. I don't know how safe this is, but we'll give it a go. Non-branded free-range eggs. And 1 cream egg for the road. Alright, welcome back to another episode of Tim Cooks, the show where Tim cooks. Here we got some eggs, and we're just going to crack it onto this phone. So here comes the lovely crack.
Bro, have you ever cooked an egg before?
So you cook them on Tim Cooks. So you just give that about 10 to 30 minutes.
10 to 30 minutes to cook an egg.
Temperature on the phone.
This is not efficient.
Is it starting to cook there?
It might be. I don't... Oh.
I think it's starting to cook just there. And it is still quite hot. Right, I'm bored. Let's do the next bit.
The spade got caught. Oh, I'm covering in egg now and drippy spade. Spade juice. Well, as you can see, that didn't work. Phone's still broken. Now it's just eggy as well. Water. Oh no, Tim, you've dropped your phone in water. What can we do?
Oh.
The spade. The spade. It loves hitting the spade, doesn't it? Put it in some rice.
Okay.
Pop it in there. You know what, I think we're getting pretty close. I think soon we'll be able to get in, take the battery out, pop it back in, good as new. You can definitely use this phone after.
What even is this? Rear view mirrors. I can get you some if you want. Cool. Let's go take this back to the lab.
Well, there you have it. One fixed phone.
I don't know that that's fixed.
Well, it's not making noise anymore. That's what you wanted, isn't it?
I guess.
I don't think that'll make the alarm anymore. You smell that?
Is that coming from that? Oh, is it?
Stop.